My topic is cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness is a paraphrase that was first recorded in a sermon by John Wesley in 1778. The first thought about it is related to spirituality itself. What would you think about a place of worship littered with dirty plastic cups and garbage? Would you like to worshiping there? Would you feel the presence of God there? The simple answer is no. Without maintaining our environment clean, it is not possible to have a meaningful spirituality. Again, cleanliness in our surrounding is a civic responsibility. Each citizen of India is responsible for keeping our street and open place clean. Most people have a selfish thought that they can dirty their neighbor place in order keeping their own compound clean. But that is a bad attitude. We need to work together to achieve cleanliness on nationwide scale. We need to clean our home, street, residential areas, roadways, public places, etc. So, it is clear that cleanliness is next to godliness. Those who want to succeed in life should make it a habit in cleanliness in life. Thank you.